Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. MasterCard Jamaica shared statistics that show consumers are ready to transact digitally. Over 51% of Jamaicans use debit cards for daily purchases, and more point-of-sale machines are in use than ATMs. Since 2017, there has been a 68% decline in use of checks, and 84% of consumers prefer cards for online purchases than wire transfers. That said, significant opportunities remain to expand digital payment acceptance across small and micro businesses, tourism, and transit, helping more businesses participate fully in the digital economy, according to a study by MasterCard and Payments and Commerce Market Intelligence. The event held recently to showcase the results was attended by the Honorable Delano Seabright, Minister of State, Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, who delivered special opening remarks. Two financial institutions have taken steps to become stronger entities. First, Cornerstone Financial Holdings Limited announces that the Bank of Jamaica has granted a license to its company, Barita Financial Group Limited, to operate as a financial holding company. Chairman of Barita and Director of the Financial Holding Company, Mark Myers, described the license as a major milestone for Barita Financial Group and the recognition of the disciplined work carried out across our businesses to meet an even higher standard of group-wide oversight. Myers noted that the financial holding company structure positions the financial group to serve clients more effectively across its ecosystem. Up next, First Global Bank Limited, a member of the Grace Kennedy Financial Group and a subsidiary of Grace Kennedy Limited, has announced the appointment of Brendan King as chairman of its board of directors. King brings more than 30 years of international banking and financial services experience to the role, having spent 3 decades with Scotiabank in senior leadership roles across markets in Asia, the Caribbean, and Canada. In addition to King's appointment as chairman, which became effective November 26, 2025, First Global Bank has refreshed its board with the addition of Septimus Bob Blake, former CEO of National Commercial Bank Jamaica Limited. Commenting on the changes, Stephen Whittingham, CEO of Grace Kennedy Financial Group, said, First Global Bank continues to play an important role in Grace Kennedy Financial Group's long-term growth strategy, and these changes further strengthen the depth of experience and governance oversight at the board level. For the trading period of May 27, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Kintyre Holdings Jamaica Limited with 33,970,910 units, representing 42.52% of market sales activity. Wigton Energy Limited with 5,412,541 units, representing 9.95% of market sales activity. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 4,609,832 units, representing 8.47% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in energy, transportation, and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for May 27, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $156.16 and buying at $158.08. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by 83-cent transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $114.39 and was bought for $113.56. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $1.80 in profits for the bank. The British pound sold for $212.33 and was bought for $210.53. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, building a credit profile as a dual citizen requires strategy and patience. One of the biggest misconceptions is that credit transfers across borders. In most cases, it does not. Your financial history in one country may not automatically establish trust in another. The key is to start early. Open accounts, use credit responsibly, maintain low balances, and make payments on time. Credit is not about borrowing heavily. It is about demonstrating consistency and reliability. Dual citizenship offers access to multiple financial systems, but that comes with responsibility. A strong credit profile in both countries can create greater access to financing, investment opportunities, and long-term financial flexibility. Credit is more than a score. It is financial credibility. For our funded and focused feature, one of the biggest barriers to financial wealth is capital. Too many people delay investing because they believe they must fund every opportunity alone. But wealth is often built through partnership. Pooling resources with other investors can create access to property, businesses, and other income-producing assets that may be difficult to acquire individually. Shared investing can increase buying power, spread risk, and bring valuable skills and experience to the table. Of course, partnerships require trust, structure, and clear agreements. But when done right, they can accelerate portfolio growth and open doors faster than going solo. Wealth is not always about owning 100% of an asset. Sometimes it's about owning a meaningful share of something valuable. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital markets and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.